At
That's
D.
that C. I got a bad C.
That shit is a smooth B.
Well, I can't really say it because y'all gotta say
Arby's is good
something
as
when you
fuck, man.
don't eat it.
I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Niggas wanna hate. Niggas on the internet wanna hate on Arby's. That shit good as fuck. I'm gonna get that shit a fucking B. So what we get on Burger King?
B.
That shit is L, bro. That shit nasty as fuck.
B.
All right.
So put it C then.
Nah, cause we both
If I
agree on
said,
B. We both agree on B though. Cause
but if I say L, that brings it down to C.
damn,
So
cause
both y'all say B.
you're a vegetarian, bro. Your shit doesn't like how can you not like Burger King? Burger King got the
But
best
when I
burgers.
used to eat it,
So you basically saying like
when I used to eat it,
when I used to eat it.
like when I used to eat it though.
All right,
I'm going by when I
I'm
used to
putting-
eat
I'm
it.
putting that C, bro. I'm putting that C.
What? Where you
I'm going by when I used to eat it, bro.
I'm not. Yeah. Bojangles.
What?
All
What's that?
How's Burger King at C?
What's that?
right, bro.
Nigga, the Bacon King will pussy that B alone.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. But Dion told me that shit nasty as fuck. Nigga haven't had Burger King in fucking 3 years, ain't it?
Move on, bro. Fuck that.
Bacon King make that big.
Everybody fuck with the Burger King. I'm telling you, everybody fuck with Burger King.
Yeah.
But Bojangles, that shit's a D. Only go
Yeah,
there
the
for,
all part that bit at the bottom.
I only put Bojangles there because
They biscuits
the
now.
Blueberry biscuits is good as fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But as far as they chicken, shit,
I never tried a chicken before though.
shit whack.
It's not better than Popeyes.
But
though. That shit-
Bojangles chicken, they jump nasty, bro. That shit was
You
dry.
didn't have
as
remember Carver football when we used to eat with the church?
shit
They
was
had
nasty.
bought
That
it
shit,
one
that
time.
shit was dry as hell.
Oh yeah,
That's how I came to this review that is nasty.
Buffalo Wild Wing, that been B. That's a B. That shit was good.
What you get? The cauliflower wings?
No, nigga. I'm going by when I used to eat it, bro. I'm going by all this. What y'all finna hear me say when I used to eat that shit.
Raisin Canes. I never been a Raisin Canes.
I never had it. Yeah.
I just
They say it's good.
That shit. See,
Chick-fil-A, S tier. Oh, I'm tripping.
Churches. I ain't gonna lie. Churches gotta be.
Churches B or A, bro. Churches B or A.
C, bro.
That shit was there when niggas struggle, man.
Churches. That bro.
I
I ain't
don't
gonna
know,
lie.
bro. Church was.
When you take a bite of that hot ass chicken that they on fresh out of
Yeah,
fucking
if it's
grease,
fresh, bro. If it's fresh,
bro. As soon as you,
When
I know I'm not the only person, bro. When you bite the
You
chicken,
probably
that shit
all
is-
had like different experiences then.
What you over
when you bite the chicken, bro, the grease just pop out on your
What?
just hit
there?
you.
You're a little too in deep, bro. But yeah, the chicken is good. Yeah, me.
All right, bro. And the biscuit's good as fuck too. So
You talking the grease that popped off on your lip? You know that.
bro, you never had church for it, but Chick-fil-A S
Group
tier.
it. Yeah,
What y'all think about chicken?
Checkers, that shit.
Checker was good as a B. That's a
I don't
B. That's a
think it
B.
was great.
That's a
But
B.
health
Checker
wise,
was good, bro. That shit was good. Chipotle S tier.
it's gonna be a lot of B's. Chipotle not S tier. It's A.
Yeah, A tier. Yeah, I say A tier.
CC. Oh, we finna get to the debate of the pizza places too here.
CC a B, bro. CC's a B, bro. RJ, bro, you know CC was there when we was home, man. You know that shit, man.
Why you just saying RJ, man? I was struggling too. I was struggling too.
I'm talking about that day. I'm talking about that day we went to CC.
I remember back in high school, bro. CC's was the trend.
Me, him, and Juwan, the nigga you don't fuck with.
CC's was the trend back in high school. All right, bro. CC's was the trend back in high school.
What is that? Oh, you just getting out of the way.
Yeah, I put that shit at C. I ain't gonna lie.
Trevor, you ate. Hey, what y'all like better, Stevie B's or CC's?
CT's
I
better.
like
than
CC's
CT's.
better. We put a cookout.
That shit
Honestly,
would be.
I
This
can't
shit
really
be-
say nothing
I
about
don't fuck with
cookout.
cookout cause like, bro, you rarely get shit. They rarely give you anything.
Bro,
when
I
you
can't-
buy- when you get something.
when I go
Yeah,
to
they jump with
They
dry.
got,
They
they
burgers
got
was dry,
hella
bro.
shit, though, but it's like you rarely
They
get.
burgers was dry, bro.
Bro, it's because everybody be there. Like every time you go to cookout, everybody's fucking there. That shit's always packed. So I never got shit from there.
Like shit be cheap as hell, but like you,
I
I see
couldn't
why.
compare it to Steve.
You really
They
get-
burgers dry as hell. Bro.
We putting Dairy Queen. I fuck them.
I ain't never went to Dairy Queen for a burger.
Domino's. Domino's gotta
That's
be
just gotta
B.
be
That bit B.
That's a.
A?
Domino's is
Whoa,
a fucking A. You can't say
whoa! I
Domino's.
don't know about
You
that.
can't
now.
say
I don't know
Domino's
about
not a
that.
fucking A.
No,
Domino's
bro.
not
Domino's is B, bro. It's
if
the B,
Domino's
bro.
A, then Papa
Domino's
John's
not.
gotta be S tier.
That's what I'm saying. If you gonna do that, they
no way,
when we
Domino's
get the
on
Papa
the
John, they
same
need to
level.
S, bro.
Papa John's.
You said
No.
what?
If
You said if you
Domino's
gonna put
A,
Domino's-
then you gotta put Papa John's. When we get to Papa John's, they gotta be S tier.
No. What the fuck?
What?
Domino's
They
not
pit
Papa John's
Domino's
level.
at B.
It gotta go to B. Domino's gotta
That's
go
what I'm
to B.
saying. Because Domino's not
Then
better
where
than
would Papa
Papa
John's
John's
go
bro.
then?
Yeah, go
S
A.
tier.
No, we're not doing that.
Or
No,
A.
we're not doing that. No, we're not.
All right, so we gotta go
Bro.
S tier then. Gotta
All
go
right then, yeah, exactly.
Where we putting Dairy Queen at, bro?
Dairy Queen is a C.
Let's see, yeah, see.
The ice cream good
But
as
I ain't
fuck.
never ate no burger from there.
I never,
just
yeah,
got-
I
I
never had a
I just
burger.
ice cream from. I just ice cream from there.
Order the
Yeah.
burger and fries.
I
Yeah,
don't think niggas eat burgers would be cute.
Firehouse is A, bro. Firehouse is A for sure.
Hey, yeah, Firehouse 8, bro. They should be so
Firehouse
good. They
good,
Firehouse
man.
subs. They Firehouse subs.
I can't.
The meatball subs, boy.
I can't
I
even
had
try
Five
to
Guys one time, bro. That's it.
Y'all only had it that one time, so I don't really know.
Where we putting Five Guys?
Man,
Five Guys.
you paying damn near $30 for a meal.
Yeah, I ain't really had Fire Guys like that, so I don't know.
My sister had got it from me one time, bro. That shit was good as hell, but it was just hot.
It was good.
Yeah, that shit good as hell. I ain't gonna lie. It's worth the money, but it's.
I don't even
it's-
remember eating that shit. I know I had
I
it.
ain't gonna lie to you. No
Um,
burger is worth $30 fucking dollars, bitch. No burger meal is never
It
worth.
was, nah, it's
That
good.
be
as
what,
hell. I
30?
had
That be what, 30, bro?
You know the burger Keith Levy talking about the what was it the
The grilled cheese burger.
yeah that grill yeah I had that's what I had, bro. That shit
I wanted to
as-
try that shit, but I never tried it before. Hardee's, I can say that shit is a C. Even though I love Hardee's, I just can't put it up above.
I be getting that
Hardee's be like
Frisco. I be getting that
the
Frisco
burger
burger every
like
time I go
that.
there. Get that Frisco
Uh-huh.
burger.
Y'all eat burgers? Y'all eat burgers from Hardee's?
Yeah,
That's what they known for.
that's what the fuck?
What?
Yeah.
I used to always go there for eat breakfast, and I ain't never knew they.
Yeah, they do breakfast too, but
I hop at.
Which I hop at.
I put out an A.
you can go A or yeah, it's good.
I know back then, they be like, AHOP, niggas be like, nigga that lame.
Yeah, bro. They say that or spell I cook.
That joke was so played up.
Yeah, 2 words.
What is it? I ain't never been in and out. I ain't never been in and out. Or Jack
Jack in the Box. I've been a Jack in
I
the
had
Box.
Jack in the Box.
I had this shit in Nashville. That
Is
shit,
it good? Is it good?
It's like a C.
Yeah.
It's a C.
Yeah.
People be jacking their junk, me happy their junk like he just the best.
You
bro.
better-
Hey, yo.
Bro, this nigga-
I would say jacking their junk up.
Oh my god.
I thought the
I
whole
mean, I
thing-
could have said that too. I could have said that too. That would have worked. That would have worked.
No,
too.
that shit would have had fly with us, boy.
I had Jimmy John's one time.
Jimmy John's, I had that shit. I ain't gonna lie, that shit is a C.
It ain't better than Firehouse though. I can tell you that. So
That shit is a C. I put that shit as a C. Jersey Mike's, I put that shit as
I
a
had
C.
Jersey
with it.
Mike's too. Yo, you
I ain't
put
never
that
had
right.
Jersey Mike's
You put that
either.
right there.
KFC, I put that shit at B. I ain't gonna lie. KFC.
This finna be controversial.
Man.
This finna be so controversial right here. Boy.
Better than
Alright,
KFC.
Little
better than
Caesar's
KFC.
going
Little
A,
Caesar
No, I'm
S
not
tier.
talking about
S tier.
KFC, bro.
S tier.
A or
Little Caesar S, bro. Little Caesar. What you was talking about, Trey? What you was saying?
Nah, fuck that shit.
Caesar's A or B for me, bro. A or
No,
B.
what? Bring that shit up, boy.
Bro, for the price,
S, nigga. To
That shit's
S,
not going-
nigga.
that shit's not beating
Bro,
S.
Domino's.
Little Caesar is
it's
good.
not. It's not on the same level as Domino's or above.
Yes, it
Domino's.
is, bro.
No, it's
Stop.
not.
You can't be
You gotta be
that.
put it like
fucking
that.
crazy.
Wherever you put it at,
Look,
just know
A or
Papa
S,
John's
bro.
gotta be above it.
That's what I'm saying.
It's
That's
gotta
all-
be B.
No, it's not, bro. Me and RJ are literally saying A or S.
Exactly.
Why you putting in B, bro?
Hey,
You know what I'm saying, bro?
It's
Me and him
not on
really
the same
saying.
level as
That's-
Domino's.
Little Caesar's fresh.
No, Trey, y'all did the same thing about
It's
Arby's.
good.
So nigga do that shit. Put that shit at A.
If both y'all say A and I say B,
Caesar's washing Arby's, my nigga.
Yeah, that's when I said. That's the same thing I said with Arby's. I called it a B. Y'all put it up fucking B. And you said both of y'all said B.
ain't no
So,
way to
that's-
say. Oh my god, my soul fucking hurts looking at this shit right here.
Nigga, that shit seems good as hell, bro. That shit good as
But it's
hell.
not on the same level as Domino's. That shit-
Yes, it is. Niggas on the same level as Papa John. Nigga, anything.
You are fucking crazy. Oh my gosh. We're going next, bro. We're going next, bro. 'Cause before I,
Mickey D.
McDonald's at A, bro. That's an A. McDonald's good.
it's not better than Burger King. I can't put this shit above Burger King.
Yes, it
What?
is.
Yes, it is. What are you talking about?
Oh my
Bro,
god.
put this shit at A. Stop playing, Trevor. You the biggest dude in here. Stop playing.
Think about it.
You know this shit
Burger
good.
King only got one item, but McDonald's got multiple.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Stop,
Nigga,
bro.
the fish fillet, whatever. They like the
You see how- you
McRib.
see how they
They
doing
like the
You see how
they
they doing
like
the
the
grimace
big fat.
shake?
They like the quarter pounder, my nigga. They like
You
all
see how
this
they doing the
shit.
grimace
Damn,
shake?
Trayvon, like, stop, bro. You know McDonald's good. Stop trying to act like you don't know it's good. Stop doing this. Stop, bro. Just stop.
That shit.
Like,
You
you
see how they
being
doing the
weird.
grimace
Stop.
shake, bro? They buying a little ugly ass shake just to drop it on the fucking ground.
McFlurry, the grimace shake, the grimace shake, my nigga. They got everything. Panda Express is A.
That shit is
That's
S
pretty
tier. Shut the fuck up. That shit is S tier.
I mean, I can't argue with that. I'll take that.
I can't argue with that.
Panera Bread.
Panera Bread A or S, bro.
I ain't never been there. Oh, it's good.
You trolling, right?
I have Panera Bread.
You ain't never had Panera Bread, then?
Hell no.
What?
That's why I asked you. I asked you,
Where we
was it
put a
good?
pizza
That's why I
at?
asked, was it good?
Where you putting Pizza Hut at?
Bro, stop, bro. Bro,
put
put Papa John's at S tier, bro, or A tier, bro. Stop, bro.
So you say you trying to ease it away, like.
So what we gonna do Pizza Hut, bro? We do Pizza Hut, bro. Like,
Yeah. Trying to hurry up.
Pizza Hut C, bro. That shit nasty, bro. That shit-
You said good, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I went in there. Yeah, I remember that Pizza Hut was on what?
Bro,
Mr. Road,
your
that shit
taste buds
had
can't be
cockroaches in that
valid because you don't
You
eat,
know, Mr. Road.
you don't eat no
Yeah, you
meat
remember when it
with
was on
pizza.
Beavis
Yeah, they
Road?
shut that bitch down.
Yeah, that bit had cockroaches in that bit. That why? That's the one I
Yours
went
had
to.
cockroaches in it.
That's the one I went to. That bit had cockroaches in that bit.
Where
That's
we put
why
it
I
on-
had
I ain't never. I ain't.
where we put it on Popeyes at?
Hey,
Popeye's A, bro.
Popeye. But Trevor, stop, bro.
You be
Put it in
trolling,
A,
bro.
nigga.
You
Damn.
be trolling, bro.
You look like I ain't in the room with y'all. Slap
I
me
wasn't
down.
even looking at. I was over here looking at. I was over here looking at. I was over here looking at shit down here.
Chicken sandwich, nigga, they shot
Oh,
the
God, nigga, really want to slap you back in your head, bro. Put that shit in A, bro. God damn, bro. Nigga want to play so much, bro.
I can't think about Steak and Shake without thinking about.
Jamie, you already know. You know.
So wait, no, wait. That shit not
waiter,
That's wait, nah, bro,
waiter,
nah.
waiter.
Do not put that shit in S tier. That shit not S tier.
That's gonna be a story time. We got to say that shit for a story.
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to order again. Excuse me, ma'am. I want to order again. Excuse me, ma'am. But me and Jamie going.
Niggas had that crusty crab in that bit, bro. Sonic is C. Sonic is C. Sonic is A. Whoa,
Sonic,
whoa.
bro, you gotta
I
think
ain't gonna lie, they drinks are A.
You got to think about the slushies and all the shit.
Yeah, they
got,
drinks.
bro.
Okay, they drink. I thought y'all going my food. I ain't know y'all going my drinks.
The
I
whole
don't know. I don't get no food. No, actually,
Yeah, I don't get no
I
food
got
from
their tater
Sonic,
tots
bro.
one time.
The mozzarella sticks from Sonic bust, bro.
So I guess we going by
They hot dogs
we going
and
by
burgers
drinks.
and shit. I don't go there for that.
So we going by drinks for Sonic.
We're
We
going
going
by the
by
whole
drinks.
place.
Yeah, I like the slushies. I go there for the slushies.
The slushies,
You
the
eat their
milkshakes.
food.
I
You
ate
eat
their
their food, Trevor?
I had their food before. I had a burger from them before.
Oh yeah, boy. Hell yeah.
Yeah, I only go there for their drinks. During the summertime, the drinks be like 79 cents. Like
Shake Shack. What's
Shake
Shake Shack? Don't know what that shit is.
I just ate you know, man.
So wait, S tier? Wait, what?
It depends on what you get, bro. The
That
cold
shit not better than Chipotle. That shit not better than Chipotle, bro. No, bro.
You can't
That shit
compare
Oh
not-
yeah, well, you
You
got
can't
to
compare Subway to
You got to
Chipotle.
move Chipotle up. Then I ain't even see that. I ain't even peep that.
That's what
You
I'm
gotta move-
saying. Like, what?
Yeah, you do that. So you might well put Papa John's up there too.
No, you fucking
Exactly.
You're crazy. You're crazy.
Damn.
Trevor, you really don't think Papa? Bro, what? You think Domino's and Papa John's on the same?
I ain't gonna lie. One day we're gonna make a fucking video. We both get Domino's and Papa John's, cheese and cheese, and then one with meat, and then y'all gonna fucking.
Why you say cheese, bro? You say cheese, bro.
I did say cheese. I said one cheese and one meat from both places.
Taco Bell A or ish. Not ish, but A.
As much as RJ eat
Not
Taco Bell, that's
no
just
done is. Not no done is. Hey, yes.
It would have
I
been
ain't gonna
S
lie.
if it didn't have the after effects, you know.
the thing is,
Yeah,
Taco
if you
Bell.
went on the toilet for
Taco
2
Bell might
hours,
be
shit.
S. It might be S.
No, it's not. Trevor, stop. Nigga. Put this shit A, bro.
Quesadilla, nacho fries.
That's
That shit
what
on
I'm
A,
saying.
bro.
That shit
good.
That shit, bro.
I can go on.
It
and
might be
on and on.
S. It might be S.
You put
But then
Taco Bell on S?
you know, them nacho fries is good as fuck.
The Baja
That shit
Blast,
not
the
at the
Baja
same level.
Blast,
Bro, that shit
slushy,
not on the same level as Papa
Nacho fries,
as Panda
you
Express,
can't
bro.
even count, but them
And
nacho
it be
fries.
and it be
They
open-
don't not. See, you tell me they jump better than Popeyes, Panda Express.
It's not better than
Like,
Pan Express.
what?
Pan Express is on S.
You tell me they jump better than Popeyes.
I would go to Taco Bell before Popeyes because I don't eat
Oh
chicken
yeah,
like that.
bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
You don't eat chicken like? Oh yeah, now you just capping. It's a video. So
I don't eat
forgot
fried
to do it.
chicken and shit like that.
I ain't gonna lie. I would go to.
You
Taco
don't,
Bell.
you don't eat
That's what
fried
I'm
chicken,
saying.
Trevor.
I don't eat it like that, Dion. Don't forget the part where I say like that.
Like
Fuck.
that.
We put a Whataburger. I'm put it on.
I ain't never been there, so I don't know. I ain't never been to Waffle House. That's crazy. I ain't never been to Waffle House. That's crazy. I ain't never been there.
Waffle House get an A.
I
It's not-
swear,
it's not
I
going-
ain't
it's not
never
going
been
S.
there, bro.
I can't put Waffle
I
House.
ain't
in
never
S.
been there, bro.
Right.
I ain't never
We
been to
need
Waffle
A,
House,
bro.
We need to what?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro.
They strawberry lemonade,
Bro, I
nigga.
was finna say the
Biggie
strawberry
bag,
lemonade,
nigga,
the
you
4 for 4, the Biggie
Stop.
bag. What else you with the
Yeah,
frosting?
he don't know Terry. He don't get it, bro. He don't get it, bro. He
Bro,
don't get it, bro.
what?
The spicy
Strawberry
nuggets,
lemonade.
nigga. The
Oh my.
spicy nuggets.
Strawberry
No,
lemonade,
with,
the 4 for 4, the Biggie bag.
I'm tripping.
The frosting.
Tweaking. Oh god, the frosty too, bro. Oh my.
I should have
yeah.
slapped you in the back of
I
the
thought
fucking
y'all said.
head,
I thought
nigga.
y'all said S. I'm gonna say.
Oh, that's the
It's Zach B's an S tier. Don't even play S
Yeah.
tier. Niggas know. Yeah. Valid. That's valid.
I remember when old boy used to work there.
bro.
And then he got stick up. He got stick up.
Oh, it said rank food only, no drinks.
Oh
and
yeah,
sweets.
Brandon them did get robbed.
Damn. So that mean put Sonic down the seat then. Yeah. Put Sonic down the seat. You heard what this niggas just said? Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah, this shit.
It
It said drink. It said rent by food, no drinks or sweets.
Oh,
Damn, Bojangles gotta go down too now. Damn.
that's still food though.
It's still food.
But it's a
though.
sweet.
Biscuit. It ain't like it's a.
It's a
shake or-
Bo-Berry biscuit. That's a sweet.
It's still food though.
Nigga, it's a dessert. You're not finna eat that shit as a fucking main meal. Bitch. Like, what the fuck you talking? You're not
Exactly, bro. RGB should have just
You
talking.
eat that
bro,
shit when
like,
you want some
what?
sweet tea. You want some sweet. You
know what
go
I'm
get a
saying?
Bo-Berry biscuit. You're not gonna get that shit for a main menu meal. I'm like, what the fuck aren't you?
Mine.
That nigga stupid. Bro.
Yeah,
This
what's
shit.
up?
I think everything is valid. Everything else valid. Everything else.
Oh, let me scan.
I still think y'all should put Hardy at D, but shit, I'll say C. So shit. I ain't never been to Jack in the Box. Never been there, so I don't know. Wait, how y'all been to Jack in the Box? This shit not down here. The fuck?
In Nashville.
Traveling.
Oh,
I ain't lie. I had it when I went to Miles when I was on the way to move in.
so what y'all created on to? Like, is it like a Zaxby's or like a? How is it?
Hold on, let me read
Come on, Jack in the Box.
Yeah, like is it like a like what?
Well, they had it's like burgers and fries. It's like another burger set, like a burger place.